Welcome to the Cross-Reference tutorial series. Today, our focus is on the cornerstone of our administration system, login users, and understanding their pivotal role in controlling the flow of information. We're going to pull back the curtain on this vital aspect of your administration system. In our previous tutorial, we touched upon 6 unique groups, each with its own screen to manage its specific role. But today we're taking a closer look at the 7th group, which also merits a tutorial of its own, the login users group. In the digital world, controlling access to information is paramount. The granular permissions available for login users serve a dual purpose, empowering users with necessary tools and capabilities while safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. When you create a new cross-reference account, you're automatically a part of this group, wielding all permissions as the account owner. So, how do you add new users to your cross-reference station? It's quite straightforward. First, make a contact account, then assign that contact to the login users group. This action will prompt the new login user screen, where you determine the user's permissions and access. For smaller organizations, the comprehensive access template might be enough, granting access to all features. But remember, Cross-Reference offers over 100 permissions to secure your data, allowing you to fine-tune user access if needed. As your organization grows and responsibilities become more specialized, the importance of creating distinct roles for multiple login users becomes evident. With a growing business, the effective management of permissions evolves into a critical task. Now let's delve into a crucial aspect of this process: permissions and security. Each permission serves a purpose, and most are obvious, but one important one that you should always be careful with allowing is permission 1310. This permission setting is crucial for protecting employee data. It can allow access to sensitive personal information. This permission must be limited to users who genuinely need it for payroll or administration purposes only. Cross-Reference also offers an IP lock feature. This is particularly useful for organizations wanting to limit access to a specific physical location. If you set it to yes and enter an IP address, then access will only be permitted from that IP address, and mobile access will not work, as it will likely be a different IP address. In practical terms, it could mean that a login user can access the account while on the premises, but will not be able to log in from home. This feature, however, should only be used on a premises with a static IP address as part of their internet plan. In an intentional design approach, the account creator is restricted from modifying crucial permissions such as the login users list, permission 1500, or the edit log in user screen, permission 1510. Additionally, administrators are barred from setting the administrator account to inactive or enforcing an IP lock on it. In the event of a lost mobile phone, account holders can regain access by following a secure procedure. Simply send an email to support@protosoft.com.au from the email address listed in your edit contact screen. Request an unlock code to be sent to your mobile alternate number, preferably a trustworthy contact who does not have access to your password. Use that code to log in and set the mobile number to a new one if required. Having a second mobile, if available, would be optimal. These by design restrictions ensure that at least one account always maintains access to the system, ready to rescue others locked out due to excessive restrictions. Templates are available when creating a new login user, but not during editing, so it's best to set permissions during the initial creation. Okay, once the permissions are set, we can click Save and be done. Saving your changes in the login user screen means they take effect immediately. Once the new login user is created, it's over to the user it belongs to. To use their account, they should navigate to the login screen in Cross-Reference and click Forgot Password. This triggers an email with a link to reset their password. Passwords are strictly private, and no user can ever know another login user's password. Now that we've explored the process of creating new cross-reference users and understanding their roles, you might be wondering about the costs involved. Cross-Reference's pricing structure is designed to accommodate the growth of your business seamlessly. The base price covers 5 users, and for each additional user, there's a nominal cost of $9.90 per month, or $99 per year. This means your business can expand without worrying about a substantial financial impact, as the pricing adjusts incrementally with your growth. The flexibility of this model ensures that your business can scale up without the need to transition to a different system. We believe it's a fair arrangement, supporting you from the initial stages to your milestones of success. The subscription management, renewal, and user addition processes are streamlined for ease of use, ensuring that you can focus on your tasks without unnecessary distractions. Only the account holder can access the subscription button in the header, simplifying the experience for other login users. Renewing your subscription or increasing the number of users is a straightforward process, and all subscription history and invoices are conveniently listed for your reference. Now that we've covered the basics of creating a new login user and setting their permissions, let me just touch on a feature that enhances user convenience and security. Cross-reference synchronizes passwords for users sharing the same email across different cross-reference accounts. This means that if a user has login access to multiple cross-reference accounts, they can use the same password for all of them. Additionally, during the login process, users will see a drop-down allowing them to select the specific company they want to access with the same set of credentials. This feature simplifies the login experience, ensuring seamless access across different accounts within the cross-reference system. If you need to manage multiple companies and users in more than one business, there is a tutorial for that specifically, because cross-reference can definitely do it. But for now, if you take a look at the top right of the screen, there is a small circle with an image of the login user and their name next to it. Clicking on their name will launch a small menu which has My Profile, Change Password, and Logout buttons on it. The My Profile page allows the logged-in user to update their profile image. Moreover, there's a message system built into Cross-Reference. Under the image, you will find a drop-down of login users. You can send them an invitation if you would like to exchange messages. Once accepted, you can message each other in real time and receive replies or leave a message for the next day, or however fits your needs. While it doesn't keep a long history and isn't meant for extensive text conversations, it's meant for quick communication between team members for issue resolution, reducing delays in decision-making or problem-solving. If you receive a message, the circle on the top right will indicate with a red circle and a counter. Different business models use this feature in various ways, and some not at all, but it may be a helpful tool for your business. And there you have it, the process of creating a login user and setting their permissions in Cross-Reference. As your organization grows, these login user permissions become increasingly integral, and Cross-Reference is here to support you. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in Cross-Reference.